This one question right down. Two electric charges Q and 2Q are two electric charges Q and 2Q are at distance A apart from each other. Two charges Q and 2Q are at distance A apart from each other in air. A third charge Q is to be placed along the same line in such a way that the net force acting at Q and also at 2Q is 0. Calculate the position of charge capital Q in terms of small q and a. Write the question. Written? Can I
Done,
get
sir.
a very important question? I have written as numerical. They can also ask as MCQ with the options. Two charges Q and 2Q are at distance A apart. Two charges Q and 2Q are at distance A apart in air. A third charge capital Q is to be placed in the same line such that net force on small q and 2q both are 0. So there is third charge to be placed here, such that net force acting on first one, and this should be 0. So force acting Q should be placed in this, in between, where I don't know. So I can say let Q be at distance x from small q, then this will be A minus x. Force acting on Q should be 0. So if I call this as first charge, this as second charge, this as third charge, force Q to first one is F1, 2. Due to second, third charge, force will be F1, 3 at A. So let charge Q be placed at distance x from small q, so that net force on q or 2q must be 0. Must be 0. So force acting on first due to second plus force acting on first due to third should be 0. This is first case given. So F12 should be equal to minus F13. Any doubt till this? Net force on small q we want 0. Even on 2q we want 0. So first case, force on first due to second plus force on first due to third, both should be 0. Hello?
Yes.
Net force matlab total 0. F between 1 and 2 is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q into capital Q upon x square is equals to minus of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q into 2q 1 3 है ना, तो q into 2q upon what is distance between 2q and q?
A minus x.
2q and q is a square. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon I can cancel. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon I can cancel. This one q I can cancel. So we can say capital Q upon x square is equals to minus of 2q upon a square. Let this be equation 1. We want q as well as a in terms of capital Q ka value in terms of q and a. So with this we got q. If I get now x, then I can substitute and get the required answer. So first condition, say we got one relation. Please copy it in this.
Sir.
Okay. Can I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, net force on 2q will be 0 if force acting on third due to first plus force acting on third due to second is equals to 0. So F31 should be equal to F32 in opposite sign. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. What is third charge? 2q. Hello, third charge is 2q. Third charge is 2q or q or capital Q? Huh?
2Q.
Q, capital Q.
First charge Q. कैपिटल क्यू आंख बंद करके बोल रहे हैं क्या? कैपिटल क्यू, ये क्यू था, ये क्यू था, ये 2q था, इसको फर्स्ट, ये सेकेंड, ये थर्ड, थर्ड चार्ज 2q है, फर्स्ट चार्ज q है, डिस्टेंस इज a स्क्वायर, दिस इज माइनस 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, third charge is 2q, second charge is q, distance between q and 2q is a minus x square. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon cancel, 2q cancel. So I can say q upon a square is minus q upon a minus x the whole square. Hello? Equation 2. What was first equation? Can you tell?
Q by x square is equal to minus 2q upon a square.
Q by x square equal to
Minus 2q upon a square.
capital Q, small q on the left side,
Capital.
capital. Right side, it was minus 2 small q.
Minus 2q square.
Minus 2. So from here you can say therefore q upon a minus x square is equals to minus q upon a square. This I am writing as equation 2. Now if you see carefully, this is q upon a square, this is also q upon a square. Hello? Hello?
Yes.
So if I look in the first equation and second equation, q upon x square divided by 2 will become minus q upon a square, correct? First one. First one minus 2q cut 2 if I bring here, then it will become minus q upon a square.
Yes, sir.
अगर ऐसा नहीं जमता है तो dividing 1 by 2 कर सकते हैं. I'm just simplifying so that I can see these two are same or not. Are they same?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I say from 1 and 2 q upon 2x square is q upon a minus x the whole square. Q cancel. So 2x square is a minus x square. Taking square root. Root 2x equals to a minus x. Any doubt till this? Any doubt till this? I'd say this is difficult sum. अगर सेंटर पे रहता तो एक लाइन में आता था आंसर. We are interested in value of x in terms of a. So now if I simplify further, This will become root x root 2x plus x equals to a. X into 1 plus root 2 equals to a. Therefore, x is a upon 1 plus root 2. So we got one value of distance, x equals to a upon 1 plus root 2. Please do till this, then I'm finding what is q. You got till x, a upon 1 plus root 2. Only this they have asked. Position of charge q in terms of small q and a. Calculate position of charge q in terms of q and a. Completed full? Yes, completed.
Done, sir.
Second question. To charge sphere A and B of same size. Two charge sphere A and B of same size have their centers 50 centimeter apart. Have their centers 50 centimeter apart. Find mutual force of repulsion if charges on each is plus 6.5 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb. What would be the force of repulsion if the charge on each sphere be doubled and distance between them is half. Charge is double, distance is half. What would be the force of repulsion between them? So first case we want what is force of repulsion. Second we want what will be repulsion if charge is double and distance is made half. If you have written the question, tell me so that I can clear and start solving. Shall I clear?
Yes.
A part, two charged spheres are at distance of 50 centimeter apart. Find force of repulsion if charges on them are same, which is equals to 6.5 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb. This is first part. So force equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. First part I am writing F1. So 9 into 10 raised to 9, 6.5 into 10 raised to minus 7, 6.5 into 10 raised to minus 7 upon 50 centimeter is 0.5 meter square. So 9 into 6.5 into 6.5 into 10 raised to minus 7 is minus 14 plus 9 is minus 5 upon 0.5 you can take half and half ka square. So this equals to 9 into 6.5 into 6.5 is 6.5 ka square. So do you know 15 ka square? 15 square?
225.
225. And 25 square? 625.
625.
जो भी यूनिट प्लेस 5 होगा उसका एक शॉर्टकट है 15 का स्क्वायर चाहिए. सो 5 का स्क्वायर 25, 1 के बाद 2 आता है. 1 into 2 is 2. This is the answer of 15 square. 25 square, right? 25, then 2 into 3 6. Same with 35 square, 3 into 4 12, 25.
122.
हाँ. 45 का स्क्वायर 4 into 5 20 का 25. So this way 65 का स्क्वायर can you take?
422.
4225 and put decimal after 2 digits. So 65 square is 4225 after 2 digit decimal into 10 raised to minus 5. Half ka square is 1 by 4. 4 will come up. This equals to 9 into 4 into 5 20. 4 2s are 8 and 2 10. Carry 1. 4 2s are 8 and 1 9. 4 into 4 16. 169 into 10 raised to minus 5. Okay. Now multiplying these two. 9 into 9 81, carry 8. 9 into 6 54 and 8 will be 54. 9 6 are 54 and 8 62, carry 6. 9 and 6 15 into 10 raised to minus 5. You can write this as 1.521 into 10 raised to minus 2 Newton. And nature of force is repulsion. Put off your video. Copy first part. Force is 1.521 into 10 raised to minus 2. Nature is repulsion. Written full? Hello? Completed full?
Yes.
Now second part, they're telling charges are double, distance is made half. What will be new force? Q1 dash, Q2 dash, both are made double. And distance is made half of original. Then what is new force? So F2 is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 2q1 into 2q2 upon half of r the whole square. Equation 2. So dividing 1 by 2, we get F1 upon F2, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon get cancelled. Q1, Q2 upon this will become 4. नहीं समझेगा तो पूरा लिखता हूँ 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 upon R square divided by 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 2Q1 2Q2 upon half of R the whole square. 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 Q1 Q2 cancel. So we get F1 upon F2 equal to 1 upon R square into this is 1 upon 2R into 4R square upon 4 times Q1 Q2. No, sorry, upon 4. RR cancel, 4 cancel. So F1 is same as F2. Okay? Hello? हेलो
Yes, sir.
सॉन्ग है ये ध्यान से देखने नहीं लगता है सब लोग ये अगेन See again carefully. See, if you can recollect directly तो भी चलेगा. Force is proportional to product of charge and inversely proportional to square of distance. So 1 upon 4 pi directly I can assume to be cancelled. तो ये ऐसा आ गया ना, directly proportional to product of charge 2q1 into 2q2 and inversely proportional to distance, which will become r2 upon r1 square. Okay, this line clear what I wrote?
Yes.
So f1 upon f2, ये q1 q2 q1 q2 cancel, will be 1 by 4. r2 is half of original square. That means f1 upon f2 will become 1 by 16. So f2 equal to 16 times f1. Therefore f2 equals to 16 into 1.521 है ना वो, कितना आया था?
1.521 into 10 raised to minus 2.
minus 2. So 16 into 2, 32, 16 into 5, 80 and 3 is 83, carry 8, 16 and 8, 24. So it will be 2 after 2-digit decimal into 10 raised to minus 2, or you can write 0.2432 Newton. Please copy. Chalo, done. Two equal point charges Q equals to plus root 2 microcoulomb are placed at each of the two opposite corners of square and equal point charge small q at each of other two corners. What must be the value of small q so that the resultant force on capital Q is 0. 2-point charges √2 microcoulomb are placed at corner of at each of the two opposite corner of square, and equal charge Q is other two corner. What must be the value of small q so that resultant force on capital Q is 0? Once you have completed, tell so that we can start with diagram. चलो रब करो.
Yes, sir.
ध्यान से देखना, थोड़ा ये मोर देन एक चार्ज होता है तो वेक्टर रिप्रेजेंटेशन हो जाएगा. देयर आर 4 चार्जेस. 2 are capital Q and 2 are small q here. Capital Q are situated at opposite corner, and other two opposite corners small q are situated. What is net force? So this is Q, this is Q, this is small q, this is small q. Vertex of square you can take A, B, C, D. Side of square is not given, I can take as A. All sides are equal. 2 equal point charge of value √2 microcoulomb are placed at each of two opposite corners, and equal point charge small q are at other two corners. What must be value of q so that resultant force on capital Q is 0? So if this is first charge, this you take second, this is third, this is fourth. Resultant force on Q we want 0. So first I will check what are the magnitude of forces acting on Q. Result 0 चाहिए. This 1 and 2 इसका value ढूंढना है, ये Q का. Now can you tell me what will be the force acting on capital Q by third charge? See, capital Q I can't change. मतलब वो +2 √2 माइक्रोकूलम है, कुछ नहीं कर सकता उसको. +√2 माइक्रोकूलम, इसका वैल्यू ढूंढना है. इट कैन बी प्लस, इट कैन बी माइनस. तो ये दोनों तो फिक्स है. व्हाट विल बी द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स? कैन आई से आउटवर्ड?
Yes, sir.
So force acting on first due to third is outward. अब ये दो बच गया ना, these two. ये दोनों का रिजल्टेंट किधर आना चाहिए? Resultant of force acting on this first due to this, it can't be outward ना. ऐसा outward रहेगा तो ऐसा चला जाएगा. ये outward ऐसा तो कभी 0 होएगा ही नहीं ना. हेलो हेलो, can I say to get resultant force at capital Q 0, the nature of small q should be negative. If this is negative, so there will be attractive force here. There will be attractive force here by third one and by fourth one, and either resultant of force acting, result of 1 4, 1 3 इधर आ गया. अब ये दोनों, ये 1 3 नहीं, 1 2, 1 2. Then result can become 0 if they are equal and opposite. Hello?
Yes. Yes, sir.
If this is positive, तो ऐसा बाहर आएगा ना. So can I say 2 get resultant force at capital Q, 0, nature of Q, small q should be negative. Otherwise, it is not possible. Also, F13 must be equal to the resultant of F12 and F14. Very important term. Till this, any doubt? To get resultant force at Q0, nature of small q should be negative, then only these forces will be attractive. तो repulsive के साथ वो resultant cancel करेगा जब भी magnitude same होएगा. किसी को डाउट है इधर तक?
No, sir.
Please copy till this. Now we'll search the magnitude. First we search the nature. We got negative. Now magnitude of small q. Done? Hello?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. So I'm finding what is F13 and then resultant of F12 and F14, equating the two to get missing value of small q. F13 is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon QQ, capital QQ upon distance square. F13 equals to F 1 upon 4 pi epsilon QQ upon distance is root 2 into side A the whole square. That means 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q square upon 2a square, equation 1. F12 is same as F14, that is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q into capital Q into small q, distance a square. So resultant of F12 comma F14 is Fr equals to root 2 times F12, because two forces are equal and perpendicular, result is root 2 times. So it will become root 2 times 1 upon 4 pi epsilon QQ upon a square, equation 2. Now since F13 is equals to resultant for to be so that net force is 0. So this is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q square upon 2a square is root 2 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught QQ upon a square. 1 by 4 pi epsilon I can cancel, a square I can cancel, 1 q I can cancel. Therefore, small q is equals to capital Q upon 2 root 2. Therefore, Q equals to capital Q is how much? Root 2 microcoulomb. Capital Q is root 2 microcoulomb.
Yes, sir.
So capital Q root 2 upon 2 root 2 is cancelled. That is equals to 0.5 microcoulomb. Therefore, Q, we got nature negative, will be minus of 0.5 microcoulomb. Solve. Very important sum. Many times it has been asked if paper is difficult. Because Q plus minus वो भी check करना है, फिर magnitude also you have to find. Done?
Yes.
After completing, don't remain silent. Please tell her because it is not visible that you have completed. 4 point charges 10 microcoulomb, comma minus 10 microcoulomb, 10 microcoulomb, comma minus 10 microcoulomb, comma minus 10 microcoulomb, and minus 40 microcoulomb are situated at corners of square of side 1 meter. Find resultant intensity at center of square. Find resultant intensity at center of square. Please write the question. Then I am clearing this to show you the diagram with proper direction of intensity. Yes, done or not? So dreaming, say na then. Otherwise, two questions will be short in every lecture. 4-point charges are situated at corners of square. Find the intensity at the center of square. Which point is called center of square? Yes, which point is called center of square? Hello? Which point is called center of square? You all can hear me or not?
Meeting point of diagonals.
Point of intersection of diagonal is called as center of square. I'm calling that as O. So if A, B, C, D is a square of side 1 meter, the charges are situated at corner. First one is 10 microcoulomb, second one minus 10 microcoulomb, and third one also minus 10 microcoulomb, fourth one also minus 10 microcoulomb. We want resultant intensity at O. Can you suggest direction of intensity at O due to charge of plus 10? Outward or inward? Outward or inward? Outward or inward? Are everybody has gone in washroom? So intensity for first charge positive, therefore it is outward. I'm calling this as E1. Q2 is negative charge. What will be direction of intensity now?
Inward.
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 So this will be directed inward, E2. E3 will be directed inward, E3. E4 will be directed inward like this, E4. Now clear cut, I think you can see that all the charges are of same magnitude and all distance OA, OB, OC, OD, is it same?
Yes, sir.
OA
Yes, sir.
is same as OB, is same as OC, is same as OD, clearly it is visible. I can call this as R. So can I say R is half of length of diagonal, which is half of root 2 into side. That means 1 upon root 2, side is 1 meter. 1 upon root 2 meter is my distance. Now E1 is same as E2, is same as E3, is same as E4 because charge and distances are same. Direction may be anything, magnitude wise they are same. R, E2 and E4, then equal and opposite. Yes, Vaibhav? E2, E4 are equal and opposite.
Yes, sir.
So can I say result is 0? Hence their resultant is 0. Everybody has followed?
Yes, sir.
Because E2, E4 are opposite, so their resultant is 0. So therefore net intensity at center O, comma E will be E1 plus E3 because they are in same direction. Please copy till this.
Done, sir.
So now E1, E3 we have to add. Whatever answer comes, that is acting along OC, we have to explain. E is E1 plus E3. So E is E1, E3 both are same. So I can say twice E1 since E1 is same as E3. That is 2 into 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square. 2 into 9 into 10 raised to 9. Q is 10 microcoulomb. So 10 into 10 raised to minus 6. R we got 1 upon root 2. So this will be 18 into 10 raised to 1, 9 plus 1, 10 minus 6. So 10 raised to 4 upon 1 by 2. 36 into 10 raised to 4 Newton per coulomb along where it was acting. From the diagram, can you tell? O2A or O2B or O2C or O2D? From the diagram, just tell where it is directed. O2A, O2B, O2C or somewhere else.
To see.
O to C. Both if you don't write, you will lose the mark. So we got magnitude, we got direction. Completed now. Yeah, done? Done now?
Yes, sir. Done.
Next question. An electric dipole. Whether your exam got over of physics?
Yes, sir.
Acha, how was the paper?
It was good, sir.
Okay. What was it advantageous when we took extra class because of that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. An electric dipole with dipole moment 4 into 10 raised to minus 9 coulomb meter is aligned at 30 degree with the direction of uniform electric field 5 into 10 raised to minus 4 Newton Coulomb raised to minus 1. Calculate the magnitude of torque acting on the dipole. An electric dipole of moment denoted by P is 4 into 10 raised to minus 9 coulomb meter. Is making 30 degree with the field, so theta 30. Field of value 5 into 10 raised to 4 Newton per coulomb. Calculate torque. What is formula for torque on dipole? याद है क्या? Torque acting on dipole. Yes, P sin theta है ना formula. Hello, torque is P sin theta.
Sir.
So 4 into 10 raised to minus 9, 5 into 10 raised to 4 into sine 30. Now you can do after this. 5 into 4, 20 into 10 raised to minus 5. Sine 30 is half. So 2 into 10, that is equals to 10 raised to minus 4 Newton meter. Copy. See, if anybody is having issue in network or with your earphones and you are not able to answer, so please WhatsApp, okay, my earphone is not working or I don't have network, or after the lecture, please say. Because from my end, I don't know why you are not answering. So sometimes it is quite embarrassing that we are shouting and students are not answering.
Done, sir.
Okay. Shall I clear? Tomorrow, can you attend extra lecture evening 9 to 10? Tomorrow is Thursday. 9:15. Okay, चलेगा. Same day I am not keeping because double हो जाएगा ना, इसलिए Thursday रख रहा हूँ. So Thursday our lecture, Friday lecture, Saturday एक और extra. in that 3 lecture, I will complete one chapter called magnetism, because that chapter is hardly something, very small chapter. Weightage is only 2 mark in the exam. So everybody has followed today's class. It was numerical based. I wanted to do some numerical